Hello, and welcome back to our GemPages tutorials. Today, I'll give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a parallax scrolling section in your website with GemPages. This cool effect is now commonly seen as part of the scrolling feature of a web page. It uses multiple backgrounds, which seem to move at different speeds, to create a sensation of depth and an interesting experience for your visitors. That's why people love Parallax, and I'm showing you how to create this effect in GemPages. Now we'll start designing this sample Parallax module, which I've created before. From the left sidebar, search for Parallax. By default, this section will reveal with a background image and a box which is parallax with the image to drop the content in. So first, let's edit settings for the parallax background. There are basic components in this settings panel, such as image and speed. In the image field, click on this icon to upload your own image, or open the gallery to choose the image that you've uploaded before. The speed field allows you to move the relative speed between the image background and the elements. Press and drag this circle dot to set this speed. When it reaches 0.0, the background image will appear in fixed place. And 1.0, the image will flow at the same speed as the content. Now let's drop your content to the box here. Now we need to add some text blocks, buttons, and write some catchy slogans. Let's see how we can make them more beautiful. Want your whole page in parallax scrolling? Easy peasy. Just use a parallax for the whole layout of your page by creating new sections right in the element box in the middle of parallax background image. So we're done! Creating a parallax scrolling module in your page is a piece of cake. Let's subscribe to this channel and be sure to explore GemPages tutorials and tips to take your page design to the next level. See you next time!